channel. In today's video, I have something really exciting for you guys for this holiday season. In this video, I am collaborating with the amazing ladies and creators of Callaloo Box. Now, if you guys do not know what Callaloo Box is, it's basically an online food subscription service. And every month, if you subscribe, you will be sent a new box. And these boxes are basically themed around different Caribbean or Indo-Caribbean dishes or ingredients. So they've had a curry box where you'll get ingredients all about curry. They will have their normal Caribbean Christmas box, which you guys are going to see that they have this month. And they've also had Diwali boxes and many other boxes. So you can go ahead and shop on their website, callaloobox.com. You can check them on their Facebook page, Callaloo Box, and you can also look on Instagram at Callaloo Box, and you can see some of their products. You can go to their online store and you can shop for these boxes individually. You do not necessarily have to subscribe. And I also wanted to mention that they basically have an online grocery store as well. If you didn't want to receive a box every month, or you didn't just want to go ahead and buy a box, you could go ahead and buy one of the items individually. You could go into their store and fill up your cart with whatever different items you want. I also wanted to mention that they always have a lot of promos, a lot of sales going on. So around the holiday season, be on the lookout and you'll probably get something that you really enjoy from Callaloo. So I want to thank these amazing ladies for sending me a box of my own to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. Now, this is essentially the Matthew's Guyanese cooking box. This is a box that was specially curated by me, and these ingredients were chosen by me to add into this box. Now, basically, this is almost like a Guyanese Christmas box. I chose ingredients that are very traditional to certain Guyanese dishes. Some might be a little different than you're used to. Some are the normal, traditional things like casrip to make your pepper pot. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do this unboxing for you guys, but before I begin, I wanted to let you guys know that this holiday season, I'm collaborating with them to give you guys a special gift as well. Now, there's going to be one special winner to receive a $50 eGift card. And basically, when you get this eGift card, you can go ahead and purchase whatever you want from their online grocery store. And as long as it adds up to $50, you can go ahead and buy it. Now, I can't wait to do this unboxing for you guys, show you guys what's in this box. This is really exciting, and we found out that we're actually both based in Florida. So this will give rise to even more collaborations in the future, and it's very exciting because we get to bounce new ideas off of each other. So let me stop this talking and go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what I chose to put in this box. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and I opened my Callaloo box, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what comes in a box when you order these. So over here, this is the shipping slip that you're going to see. So I'll move that to the side, and this is the actual box with all of the ingredients inside. And since it's the holiday season, they put a nice little bow on it, so it's very festive. This is also a great gift if you have anybody who likes to cook or is a chef, to be honest. This is a great gift for them to have, and it has some essentials, some basics in there. So this is a great gift idea for people. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this bow from the top. So once you guys have gone ahead and removed everything from the actual big box that it came in, you guys can open your actual Callaloo box now. Now you're going to see that they have their little logo sticker, and on the bottom they have a Facebook and an Instagram logo. Hope you can see that. A little Facebook and Instagram logo. And basically they are Callaloo Box on Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to find them, they'll be there. I'll have their social media in the description box down below as well. And when you open the box, you're going to notice that the box is very sturdy, as well as they have all of these little packaging slips of paper inside. This helps when shipping the products, so this way the products don't get messed up and they don't break. So I really appreciate that they take the time and the effort to do that. Now, the first thing that they put in here was a little card just talking about what Callaloo Box is and a little note to me. So they said, "Thank you. It was a pleasure partnering on our first ever Guyanese box. We look forward to many more in 2020. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year." So these two amazing sisters, they basically give their story here. They're two sisters that grew up in Trinidad. They moved to South Florida, and they started the Callaloo Box to show their love for Trini cuisine and Caribbean food. And they just basically hope that you guys enjoy what's inside, and they really enjoy what they do. And they're honestly very genuine people. So go ahead and support this amazing company by buying one of these boxes or buying some of these ingredients. Now, also, they wanted me to let you guys know that they do have their Christmas grocery, and this is what I was talking about, where you could buy individual ingredients. If you go on their website, you can actually buy just one ingredient or two ingredients, you don't have to buy the actual whole box. So they have their website right here, www.callaloobox.com. Again, I'll have it linked down below, and you can go ahead and purchase your products through that link as well. And of course, these are about some of the deals that they have. They have like a little point system and Callaloo bucks. Now that's basically if you buy more than, one or more than a couple of items from their store, you can get some of these deals as well. So just look into that when you get your little slip of paper in your box. Now we're on to the good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this packaging from the top. And as I said, they really pride themselves on the packaging and making sure their ingredients get to the respective homes on time and in one piece. So the first item that I'm seeing here is the cashrip. Now, cashrip for any Guyanese household, you guys will know, is the main ingredient for pepper pot. Pepper pot is basically a stew that's been cooked for hours and hours. It has different hearty meats on the inside. So some people make it with goat, lamb, pork, beef. And this is what actually preserves the pepper pot. They say that when you make pepper pot, you can go ahead and cook it, and then you can leave it on your stovetop overnight, and then every day you come back and you put the mixture to come back to a boil. This actually helps preserve the meat, and this is why pepper pot can stay up to a week outside without refrigeration. And this cashrip is what actually preserves it and makes it that way. It's dark, it's rich, it has a little bit of sweet and a nutty flavor, and that's what gives the pepper pot the color as well as the flavor. So this is something that I thought necessary to put into this box because pepper pot is such a main part of a Guyanese Christmas. And aside from that, we also have a bottle of mixed essence. And for any of you guys that know, mixed essence is also a staple in a Guyanese household usually, because whenever we make sponge cakes or any type of pastries or desserts, a little bit of mixed essence usually goes in. I know my grandmother, any type of dessert that she really makes, she adds in a little bit of mixed essence just to give that flavor. It's definitely different from a regular vanilla extract, and I like using this in place of vanilla extract, but sometimes that's all I have on hand. But now I have a little stock for myself. So I'm going to be using this in some recipes to come, so be on the lookout for that. So those are the two big bottles that were on the side. So now I'm just going to open this up, and we're going to look at what's inside this little box. So here are a few things that I added as well. One of the main ones being a bag of brown sugar. I know during the holiday season, we go through a lot of sugar because we make a lot of different pastries and stuff like that. And this is my favorite type of sugar to use. This turbinado type sugar, this very coarse brown sugar that's loose. I find that it gives the best taste, the best texture to cakes, pastries, and different dishes. Now, this brown sugar has many different uses. You can use it to make sorrel if you're into that. You can go ahead and use it to make ginger beer. You can use it to put in your pepper pot to add a little bit of sweetness. I put a little bit of sugar in my bread doughs. If you're making sponge cake or black cake, this is the perfect type of sugar to use as well. So definitely this is a must-have for me. And aside from that, we also have mauby bark. And mauby bark is basically used to make a drink called mauby. And this is not something that you always see in a Guyanese household. I just know that my grandmother makes it every once in a while, and it does taste pretty good. It's basically this bark that is steeped in water, and then sugar is added, some spices are added. And hopefully when I go to New York and I see my grandmother, we can do a little recipe for you guys. So this way I could show you guys how to make use of this awesome ingredient. And aside from the mauby bark, we also have cinnamon sticks. This is something that would go into your pepper pot, also something that would go into your mauby if you're making that. Some people will put cinnamon into their ginger beer as well. And just a plethora of other dishes, you can go ahead and put cinnamon sticks in. And aside from all of those things, we also added in some nutmeg. Nutmeg is a great spice to have for any type of dessert. My grandmother loves using this in cassava pone. We use this in coconut buns, and all of these baked goods are things that you would see over the holiday season as well. We make some of them year round, but the holiday season is just extra special because we're baking up a storm always. I'm also trying to do a sponge cake recipe where I add in a little bit of nutmeg, and I use some of these flavors that I got in this Callaloo box. So be on the lookout for that. Now, aside from the nutmeg, we also have some whole cloves. And cloves, for many of you guys that know, is a very warming spice and a spice that I associate with the holidays. Any type of sweet spice, I call it, like cloves, nutmeg, or cinnamon, I really call a sweet spice and I associate with the holidays. Now, the cloves you can also add into your teas. You can add it into the mauby. I've seen my grandmother do that. Some people use the ground version to put into their cakes and pastries as well. So whatever way you see to use it, I think this is a great ingredient to have as well. And the last ingredient is also some thyme, and this is the regular fine thyme. And this is what's used in the pepper pot to give it that great flavor as well. This is the main herb that we use. And we also use it in many other different types of stews and things like that. So if my grandmother makes catsup chicken, she'll put this in. If she makes some curry, sometimes she'll put this in. So this is a great herb to have whenever you're making any type of savory dish, and one that I saw fit to go ahead and put in this box. So here's a little recap of all of the ingredients that I got in my Callaloo box today. Over here I have the brown sugar, some thyme, cinnamon sticks, mauby bark for the drink. I have cloves, whole nutmeg, as well as casrip and the mixed essence. Now I'm going to go ahead and start creating some amazing recipes with these ingredients. I also wanted to mention that if you were buying things from their individual grocery store, you could go ahead and buy things like anise seeds to make anise bread. I know some Guyanese people will make that. You could also buy sorrel if you want to make that, and you can also buy the dried ginger to make ginger beer. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that video and that little unboxing that I did with Callaloo box. This collaboration was one of my favorites because I got to put together a box influenced by me, and one of their first Guyanese boxes at that, and I get to share with all of you guys. So I wanted to mention that if you wanted to purchase this specific box, you'd need to put in your order by this Friday at the latest. If you put in your order by this Friday, you will receive your box before Christmas. If you put it in after Friday, you will definitely receive it after Christmas. Now, I also wanted to mention that there is something in this video just for you guys. Besides having the opportunity to purchase this amazing box, you can also have a chance to win a $50 eGift card to the Callaloo box grocery store. Now, with this gift card, you can go ahead and buy one of their boxes or different ingredients that you want to put together yourselves, and you can go ahead and get them for free because you're going to be getting this $50 eGift card. So the way that this giveaway is going to work is that I'm going to be posting this video, and on Saturday I will be announcing a winner. Basically what you're going to go ahead and do is in the comment section below, you're going to have to comment what is your favorite Christmas dish. It doesn't matter what nationality you're from. It doesn't matter where you live in the US. Just make sure that you put what your favorite dish is in the comment section below. After you do that, I will be picking one of the amazing people in the comment section at random, and they will have the chance to win this $50 eGift card. And once they win it, I'll go ahead and contact them and tell them what to do and how it works with the gift card over with the people at Callaloo box. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see who wins this $50 eGift card. Thank you again to the creators of Callaloo box. These two amazing ladies, thank you for sending me this box with all of these amazing ingredients and giving me the chance to put this box together myself. I want you guys to know that I hope you have a great and a happy holiday season, surrounded by family, friends, great food of course, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and go ahead and leave your comments down below. For this video, it's even more important. Tell me your favorite dish and you'll have the chance to win that gift card. See you guys again in my next video. Bye guys.